Hello, I want to welcome you back to our video series on security clearance appeals. And this is your host, Attorney Alan Edmunds. As you know, I've been an attorney for over 40 years, and I have a law firm, the Edmunds Law Firm. That is a national law firm. We help active duty, civilian, and DoD employees across the United States. We have offices in Washington, D.C., North Carolina, Florida, Texas, and California. And we're here for you. We're here to help you, and we welcome veterans, and we welcome active duty military. I want to thank you for your service, and you folks are incredible. You make a big difference, and you make this country a lot safer, and I appreciate it. Today, I'm going to talk about a veteran, actually. I'm going to talk about an individual that was a linguist, and before I get into his case, which we litigated here at the Edmunds Law Firm. We got the result today, and I'm holding it in my hand, and it comes from the United States Department of State. And the reason I'm talking about Department of State is because many of you said, well, you call me at 800-481-2526, and you say, well, we know how successful you are with security clearances, and we know you're very successful with Merit Systems Protection Board, but what about other federal agencies? So I wanted to respond to your questions, which are fantastic. They're very illuminating for me, and they tell me what's important to you. And I wanted to respond to say the Edmunds Law Firm is representing individuals before all federal agencies on employment issues, on security clearance issues, on retention issues. And today's case was a case from the Department of State where our client was offered a training specialist with the Bureau of Diplomatic Security. He was a linguist before. He worked for the United States Army. Linguists are an incredible group of people. They place their life on the line in Iraq and Afghanistan and other countries, and they act as interpreters or cultural liaisons for our troops that are deployed abroad. Well, this individual had applied for a position, and the State Department did a background check, as they always do, and they decided that there were previous employment issues that dictated by their standards to withdraw the offer of employment. Well, needless to say, my client was crushed. He was an incredible individual, and we know the folks at the U.S. Department of State. Outstanding group of lawyers. I love interacting with them. We have a healthy discourse between my office and theirs, and we took the case. Other attorneys turned this case down. We took the case, and we presented a written response to the Department of State. And just one day prior to this video, we received a notice from the Department of State, and I'll read it. It says, "We have received your response. The department has reconsidered your application, including the information that you provided. Based on the review of this information, we have decided not to cancel your eligibility for the position for which you are being considered." So my client was reinstated. He is now got the dream job. He got the job that he had been working for and preparing for years. And end of story for him. Great story for us. We're always happy when we get a favorable decision. So if you have cases before other federal agencies, call us at 800-481-2526. I would be delighted to talk to you about your case. Thank you.